main points of collision theory of reaction rates in brief. So, for a chemical reaction to occur, there must be collisions among the reacting molecules. If A2 and B2 are two reacting molecules in gaseous state, there must be collisions among A2 and B2. But all the collisions among these gas molecules do not lead to the formation of products. Only a very few fraction of molecular collisions leads to the formation of products. Those collisions are called effective collisions or fruitful collisions. For a collision to be an effective one, the reacting molecules must possess a minimum amount of energy, that is called activation energy, that is the difference in energy of activated complex and average energy of reacting molecules. If the activation energy is high, rate of reaction will be low and vice versa. In addition to this energy barrier, reacting molecules must satisfy another criteria, that is during the molecular collisions, the molecules must be properly oriented. So, the molecules with proper orientation and with sufficient amount of energy are colliding, then only the collision will be an effective one and reactants are getting converted into products. The fraction of molecules with energies greater than or equal to activation energy is given as e power minus Ca by RT. That fraction will increase with the rise in temperature, hence with increase in temperature, rate of reaction is increasing. And one more factor is even effect of concentration on rate of reaction also can be explained. With increase in concentration of reactants, no doubt the number of collisions will increase. Number of effective collisions also will increase, hence rates of reactions are increasing. If ZAB is the collision frequency, then rate of reaction is equal to ZAB into e power minus Ca by RT is the equation represents the rate of reaction by considering only the molecular collisions without proper orientation. If you are introducing the steric factor also, means molecules with proper orientation and energies equal to or greater than activation energy when you are considering, then rate of reaction is equal to P into ZAB into e power minus Ca by RT. So, these are the main points of collision theory of reaction rates. Even Arrhenius rate equation also can be explained based on this, that e power minus Ca by RT e power minus Ca by RT, the explanation is given from collision theory of reaction rates. All these points must be kept in your mind. Numericals can be given based on Arrhenius equation, theoretical questions can be given based on collision theory of reaction rates. So, those questions also we can discuss in next class.